And Tower, Echo Fox Charlie is ready for taxi.
Echo Fox Charlie, taxi Alpha, hold short 25 at Echo.
Alpha, hold short 25 at Echo, Echo Fox Charlie.
Trying to figure out who the hell it was.
Whiskey Charlie there ahead of us.
Got him. 1000. Got to do the control check now.
Echo Chair Mike,
Just mine.
taxi please, we're at the back of the hangar.
So,
Chair Mike, taxi Alpha, hold short 25 at Echo. Alpha and hold short 25 at Echo, Chair Mike.
And Echo Fox Charlie is ready and turn at Echo.
Echo Fox Charlie, roger, line up 25 wait.
We'll line up and wait on 25, Echo Fox Charlie.
36 knots from way 25. Clear for takeoff, right turn west, remain south to the motorway.
let's go.
Echo Mike, uniform, caution, Cessna 172, just rolling now, runway 25, riding out west Alpha. Alpha, copy, keep an eye out, Echo Mike, through.
500.
Yankee Juliet, roger, start probe, QNH 1018.
And approve, great. Juliet.
100 to go.
Away, whatever you want.
Mike, now at Alpha, approaching Echo, we're ready. Actually, Mike, can you confirm QNH please 1018 and squawk 0434. 0434 and we're ready, Sir Mike, just approaching Echo. Sir Mike, roger. Stand by one please.
Echo, can you relate for taxi?
Thank you, stand by
we
one
said
please. Sir Mike, wind 290 degrees, 5 knots from way 25. Clear for takeoff, right turn west, remain south to the motorway. Clear to takeoff 25, right turn remain south to the motorway, Sir Mike. Yankee Juliet, taxi Alpha, hold short 25 at Echo. Echo, when you Tango Foxtrot Charlie, your ground location?
We're just out of minutes now.
Foxtrot Charlie, roger, information available, 118.5, military airspace is active, talk to you soon.
1185 for Echo Fox Charlie.
Don't know what I am.
Foxtrot Charlie, approaching overhead.
I had to fucking translate that. Who was he talking to there? Not everyone flies as accurate as we do. Just take a quick look while it's on there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good afternoon, Dublin Info. This is Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Good day to you. Pass the message.
We're at 172, just out of west. We're just approaching the toll bridge. We're with you for information only.
Roger, Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Several items operating to the west. 28 left is the active at Dublin, and no activity at Clonbelogue.
Adding the power, you know.
Yeah.
Just number one. I'm just going to confirm that for you.
He's an excellent pilot. Coming up in 2000 now. Right. There's 2000.
What was wrong? You were hearing yourself, were you?
Yeah, yeah.
Echo India Golf Sierra Mike Squawk 2617.
New squawk now, 2617. Sierra Mike.
That's going to get him all the way home, is it? Down to Sligo? This.
Very professional, Jerry.
Just as you'd expect, no.
He's cool, isn't he?
West.
I'll do pilot incapacitation. You can do a bit of right seat there. Got it?
I got it.
West, I'll just set this up for you. I was thinking of you. And you're heading west as well, so...
Where do you want to go?
Well, listen, you're in charge. Sierra Mike hasn't passed us yet. Don't go too far to the right.
Yep. In that bugger back.
Oh yeah, good thinking.
Just Cessna 152 operating into the live area for 30 minutes, information on you.
Roger, Echo India.
There we go.
Uniform, good day to you.
What are we down to? About 8.5?
Out to the west.
Tom Hughes,
And
7.5
no
gallons
at Clonbelogue.
on his 172 SP.
Next activity.
Depends on the day though.
Yeah, well, it was Saturday.
Was it?
Yeah.
Right, Saturdays are normally 7.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't hear
nuts.
Mescalero. Oh, he wouldn't be on this frequency anyway.
Not on those.
We might get him, yeah. It's not an old vid without Mescalero in it.
Oh, this is it.
I just roll onto 120 or so. Won't be too far off my heading.
And Dublin info, this is Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie. We're just approaching the toll bridge. We'd like to QSY west.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie, contact Western 122.4. Bye-bye now.
1224, bye, and thank you.
Give him a second.
Good afternoon, Western Tower. This is Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Just approaching Kilcock inbound to the field for some circuits.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Route north about 1,500 feet, the overhead, left downwind, runway 25. QNH 1018, next report passing minute.
North minute, 1,500 feet, and expect overhead, and we'll report at minute, and it's 1018 on the QNH Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Nice recovery, Noel. Thank you, Paul. I'll get it one day, Paul. It's a lot to get your head around, Noel. And you know my head.
Echo Foxtrot Charlie, Tower.
Tower, go.
Fox Charlie, your esteemed colleague is just early right downwind, runway 25 this time. If you get him in sight, let me know and you can slot in behind him, otherwise the overhead is fine.
I shall have a look for my esteemed colleague, thank you. For your information, there is a swan crossing from north to south over the runway. You should be crossing the runway threshold, runway central line in about 2 minutes, or 1 minute.
Tower Echo Foxtrot Charlie, we have company traffic in sight.
Fox Charlie, Roger, number 2 behind that traffic, next report final.
We're going to go left downwind now.
Yankee Juliet, do you have an approximate altitude for that swan?
Yeah.
Just I'd
Let's
say
go.
40, 50 feet.
Yeah.
Roger, break, Echo Fox Yankee, just caution that swan seen south of the lake, correction, west of the lake, heading southwards, just off the ground, close to your area.
Copy that, I'll go Foxtrot Yankee.
Hey, you still got Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's one on the upwind there now, so he's
just
no
tell him
factor.
just tell him we're lining up behind Paul.
We're mid-right downwind. Yeah.
Yeah. Hours off. Feedback?
Still got Paul?
No, he'll be turning, he's well ahead of me now.
Yeah.
We'll see him when he turns, straighten her up. Speed's coming back. We go first stage flap under 100. It'll slow us down again.
I got him, he's directly
Oh yeah,
up
I
and
knew
out.
we'd see him once he did that, you see. I'm thinking ahead.
Ah, always.
We're still going down for 1,000 feet. You've called, oh yeah, you did, you call that.
Yankee returning finals, 25, touch and go.
Yankee Juliet, wind 270 degrees, 3 knots, runway 25, clear touch and go, right circuit.
Touch and go, right circuit, Echo Yankee Juliet.